Hello, today I have an '08 Toyota Highlander hybrid with a code P0441, which is a small leak in the burn valve. So I want to show you where is the burn valve. This is the burn valve for the hybrid. Basically you have to remove the air filter, unclip 1, 2, 3, 4 clip and lose the 10mm bolt on here. Take that out, then unplug the MAF sensor. There is another 10mm bolt right here you gotta lose, and then on the side there is 1, 2, 3 10mm bolt. Get that out, take this off, and this one, the burn valve, is located on here. So you're gonna have to check the hoses, make sure no cracks or any cut somewhere. So to check the burn valve, like chosen here on all data, that has to be 26 to 30 ohm. So I get my multimeter on here and I checked it and it was 29 ohm, so it's good. But look what I found here while I take that out. Here is what I found. That's what you have to check before you replace any sensor. Make sure no cracks, no cuts anywhere. So everything looks good to me except this air intake boot right here. That's what I'm going to replace. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos.